Hello everybody, I want to show you how to do spinal molding at home. We have two cushions, one for the lower back, one for the neck. So the one for your neck is going to go up at the top of your bed. This is going to be the flat edge up against your shoulder. For the one for the lower back, you're going to see there's a rounded edge and a more pointy edge. So the pointed edge is going to go towards your feet. Before you even lay on here, you need to do those 6 warm-up stretches that we've shown you in the office. So do those at home. Make sure you are prepared to lay down on here. Because after you're done with this, then you're just going to go right to sleep. So you're doing this right in your own bed. So when we lay down on it, we want to make sure this is in the small of the back, and the flat edge is at the shoulder. To confirm the placement for the lower back fulcrum, find your rib cage, travel down to the end. Once you get to the end of your ribs, draw a line straight down, and that's where the center of that cushion should be, and that's the proper placement. And then this one's flat up against your shoulder, and you should be looking straight up at the ceiling. So you're going to start with 5 minutes. After you do the 5 minutes, then you're going to remove the fulcrums, and then you're going to just go to sleep, set those aside. You're gradually working up to doing 20 minutes, so add 1 minute each night so that you gradually get up to the full 20 minutes. If it's difficult, let's say at 10 minutes, then you can do that for a couple nights. Once it's comfortable, then you can start progressing again. If you have any questions or concerns, please ask us in the office. And that's spinal molding.